I don't marry any view, I just marry execution. My advantage is the calm in the middle of confusion.
Mind control, I choose what I feel. Crowd screams, I stay still. They see candles, I see wheels. One thought, one click, one meal. One cheap meals, cold nights, and the taste of menu life. To the nickel sets for miles, to the chauffeur at my side. Same brain from the bottom, just separated how it fires. Now I host the whole arena while I sharpen my desires.
Lama, Lama, red pajama. Came from not another mantra. Big Daddy in the morning, whole world on my program. I control my mind and I control the market drama. Say my name, say my name. Lama, Lama, red pajama.
Morning on the stores, I move with a grin. Eyes on the table, I know where to begin. Price tags blink fast, handshake a little. I read the room clean, then I split the middle. One bad pull, don't break my stride. I wait for the gap, then I slide inside. One smart move can flip the whole game. I don't chase luck, I chase my name. Loot, 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 I take what's mine. Loot, 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 right place, right time. Loot, 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 keep the faith alive. Bad pulls fade out, good runs survive. Good runs survive. Saw a cold dead box and I laughed out loud. Not every hit lands, not every crowd is proud. I keep my eyes open, count every turn. If the first one misses, I still got more to earn. One bad pull, don't own my mind. I play my hand like I plan my time. One clean step and I'm on my way. A little less loss, a lot more safe. Loot, 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 I take what's mine. Loot, 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 right place, right time. Loot, 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 keep the faith alive. Bad pulls fade out, good runs survive. Halftime now, let the floor shake. Take the long shot, then I make my break. No panic, no face gone blue. I know what sticks, I know what to do. Loot, 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 I take what's mine. Loot, 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 right place, right time. Loot, 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 keep the faith alive. Bad pulls fade out. Good runs survive. Loot, 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 loot. Laugh when it stings, smart game, good aim. That's how it swings.
Maestro, he the maestro. Do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Maestro, he the maestro. Do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. They said life after death, they was never that close. Hit the wheel, love, I be in the back row. Then it flipped on his head, that's a fact though. 2 wheels to the chest, had a body on a gurney. Out from the crowd, make the whole place scurry. And I know they were worried, but it wasn't my time. Came back in a hurry. Life gave me a burden, Starting in my trip, turned into a gift. Starting all over, I was starting to trip. Took a little trip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little trip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little trip, running shit, turned into a trip. We in and out quick. At my head drop, heat of my head drop. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. At my head drop, heat of my head drop. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Big win in the morning, let's celebrate. Poppy need a steak on the plate, a little worm.
This live show is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing this show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Chop Reaper. That was like instant drop. All right, what's up, everybody? I'm in early for FOMC. Got a clean rejection off this 5-minute level over here at 70. Just got trailed down on my runner as it just bled through a little bit more. We're looking at two 5-minute levels right now, 870 and 719, 160 point separation. I'm actually going to delete sauce boxes for now, only because FOMC doesn't really care about sauce boxes a whole lot. These two have kind of already been disrespected. I'm going to leave these two up here. But we have a lot of room. Either direction. I want to see if this 2-minute holds under 850 as well. We can get that pushed back all the way to 719, which would be wild. But I'd like to see this volatility stay here. The level rejections for FOMC and the quantum signals play out really well when volatility is high. So I'm going to keep an eye on where we're going. There it is, bleed through 800. 2-minute pushing. 719, 730 area would be the next area to test. If this keeps bleeding through, SPX is bleeding right down to its levels as well. There's a golden MVG on SPX over here at 73.80, 719. A 5-minute level at 73.88, 10. So almost a 100-point rejection off this level up here at 870. Had nice 3 wicks. All right. Actually, almost 100 points, just by a few. Have your voice volume is low. Is anybody else having that issue? My mic is not under my desk right now. On my end, it's loud. Okay, so then it's definitely daily trades. It's definitely on you side. All right. We'd like to see this 2-minute stay under 46. And we can see some more push down. Ooh, blue candle showing up here. Blue candle showing up here. So if it's gonna hold this, ooh, okay, this is getting interesting now, because if this is gonna hold this 1-minute and 2-minute uptrend, then we might see that break of 46 and push up to 70 again. But I'm gonna be a little patient here. That level's trying to lock in up here at 45. Okay, did not stay blue. So there's that level at 45.75 is where that level actually locked in. So I want to see what it does as it approaches there. If the DOM gives me any reaction, or if it blows right through it, it makes a new higher high. We get this contention of that box. We are in an uptrend. The 1 and the 2, this would be where you'd want to see it break through that and then push through it, but the DOM is definitely reacting there. It's reacting. The closer it got to it, I saw the DOM go a little bit crazy at 36, and then it ripped down 20 points. ATR is very high, everybody, so definitely size the fuck down. Trade on evals. If you guys are gonna have some fun during FOMC. Wow, what a freaking rejection. I wanted it to get a little closer, but it did hit. It hit 42 on NQ. I did not see it hit 42. I did not see it hit 42 on NQ. Hold on, I'm gonna charge my headphones for a little bit. When Logan comes in, I'll put my headphones back on. But this thing is saying battery low. I don't need the headphones right now until Logan comes in and starts talking to me. Charge them up for a little bit. Well, damn. Well, according to this, it hit 42. I did not see it hit 42 on my DOM. So it might have hit 42 on NQ, but not on MNQ. What a rejection. I was looking for that rejection right there. But whatever. It did not hit that high for me. That is what it is. You don't have the 1 minute chart on. I don't. Oh shit, you're right. I have the 5 minute. Thank you for that. Damn. Thank you for that. Look at that. We got another level 65. Oh, we got a 2 minute. Yeah, 2 minute levels were rejected. All right. Now SPX breaks under this 73.97. That's going to be its failed bullish move here. That was a nice bleeder. There's more news. Yeah, 13 minutes. FOMC ads. That's where he starts talking. We're going to get that Fed rate, whether we're going to get a cut or a hike or nothing. Right? Everyone's kind of thinking we're going to get a hike. But I don't know. I honestly do not know. Everyone's kind of thinking we're going to get a hike. That's why we've had these drops coming in. Quantum cut those longs 18 minutes ago. Yep, you saw that one, right? Yeah, failed bearish move, A++ setup, break and retest for that explosive move up here. For about 100, almost 200 points almost. So it was clean. And now we're getting those level respects. Look at where we hit that 870. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rejections at this 870 area. Now that I'm looking at it on the 1 minute chart, I definitely am glad I did not hesitate to press the button there at 870. Unchanged. It was already released. Nice. Okay, unchanged. Speech is in 2:30, so we're gonna see what his speech is gonna entail then. I'm surprised it's unchanged and we're still looking kind of bearish overall, but you know, this is uptrending now. Ooh. Speech time. I would love to see it get down here to 730, 720 area. We just hit what, 748? Got very close. Got very, very close. That would be an advanced read on the 1 and the 2. It would be about a 20-point stop loss if it hits 720. If you play the blue candle, it'll be down at 690. But I want to see that reaction if it gets down there. Let's see. Futures done, that one's done, that one's done. Dang, do I have any accounts to trade? Tradeify's not open, but I know I finished those already as well. Wealth charts. All right, here it goes. Here comes that push down to 730. Looking at 730, 720 to see if we get a reaction down there. Well, I mean, it's definitely bouncing the closer it gets. So it might not tap it all the way. I would love to see it grip down and tap it real quick though. It's approaching. Kind of already bouncing though. SPX just gave us a golden MVG to the top side, so now it's kind of in a sandwich. Yeah, I was looking at 730, 720. This thing just hit 740-ish, 739. And then it bounced. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here's 730. And it just shot up. A few points right there. Yeah, look at that, right? You see that reaction? Look, 20 points. Hit 733, shot up 20 points. Blink of an eye. Right? Those are those reactions I'm looking at. So when it gets down there, pops up, right? But the pop-ups, right, we're getting weak. We're still getting weak. So the bounces are not super strong. So that was a nice 20-point push. Will it do it again? Or will it go hit 720 this time? I want to see it hit 720. But again, right there, that was a nice bounce off 730. I'm definitely getting a little reactionary here. Not a whole lot since that first bounce. But there goes again. That was a nice little 12-point bounce right there. Now can we see 720 get tapped? Each time it hits, it bounces. But each bounce is getting weaker and weaker. Ooh, okay. Okay, well, I'm up 20 points on two micros right now. Look at that, 20 points. Just like that, blink of an eye, right? Waited for 730. There it goes. Look at that. Boom. There was a good 30 some pointer right there. Just being patient, waiting for those levels to get hit, and then clicking the button. All right, that's simple. Waited for 730, pressed it a couple times. Wanted to see if it would pull down to 720 and add a couple more. It didn't give it to me. She wants to keep going. She can keep going. All right, there, took my runner out. We're going to do it again. Or are you going to strat 6 me here on my runner? You're going to do it again. I think she's going to strat 6 my runner. I think I trailed it a little too close, honestly. Nope. Okay, good. All right, let's see. Let's see if we push to 720 this time. I want to see if we push to 720 this time. Oh, it's bouncing off again. Yeah, bounced off of 730 again. Holy shit. Oh, bounced off of 730 again. Only caught it with 1 micro. Whatever. There's 730 bounce again. So you guys seeing, right? I can identify where the bottoms, the tops, all these areas are. That's 730. Just played it twice. Played that 730 2 times. Look at that. 60. There. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. This is a 30-point bounce right here. 35-point bounce. Right? 730. And I only caught it with 1 micro this time, though. Only 1 micro this time. I got a level down there. It's an advanced read. That's the quantum setup. The advanced read, we got this bed of levels down here, 720, 730. We got a bed of levels, blue candles, right? We got everything I'm looking for this to potentially try to hold or bounce, right? Those levels need to break for it to go down, right? ATR is high enough where I'm looking for a pretty good reaction on them. And that was 2 30-point plays back to back in less than 5 minutes. Just like that, right? And then each time it comes down, though, be cautious because I'm waiting for the DOM to react. So again, right, this is where we're bouncing off 730, 720. And you guys see my chart, those levels, right? 719, 716. The reason I'm saying 730, though, is because that 5-minute level, usually if a 5-minute level is strong, it will pull down within 10 or so points. And then, right, it should hold, right? If it does touch 720, I don't want it to break. I'm going to be very cautious if it touches 720, and I'm going to look for that down reaction. But there's 2 bounces right there so far for 60 points in total, right? There was just another little bounce. Right, what did it come down to? 730 and bounce like 15 or so points. But again, right, each time it pulls down, right, there it comes down again a little deeper. And the DOM, again, look at that. Look at that. Another 27 points, 30 points. Yeah, I said deeper. I know, right? You got to penetrate it a little deeper. Look at that. Another bounce, right? There was 100 points right there in less than 4 minutes, just playing 730. We could call it a day already. We can call it a day already. It's that simple for me, right? I'm going to play these area bounces. I see the reaction on the DOM. I'm going to click the damn button. If it breaks through it, I'm going to get out, wait for the next reaction. If it breaks it, then I'm going to wait for a potential break. But it's very, very up. There's Logan Poo. It's very simple. I wait for it, wait for it, see the reaction, click the button. As long as it keeps holding it, there's bounces, right? Eventually it's going to break. The more it tests it, eventually there's a high that's going to break it. each time I'm gonna play it less and less and less, so I don't give back anything. I'm gonna give back nothing. If I lose a trade, right, strike one, and then usually after strike one or strike two in the same area, that's right. But there was an easy 100 points right there. 100 points in less than 5 minutes, guys. I mean, keeps testing it. Look at that, another bounce. I would love to see 720 get tested, but it's holding off that area. Look at that, another 730 bounce. All right, but again, we're trapped here. This is definitely getting trapped. SPX is trapped between two MVGs. Just be careful playing it too many times again, right? It's like the boy that cried wolf. You don't want to poke that. You don't want to keep faking. Oh my god, another bounce. You don't want to. I mean, if you know, if you're okay getting bitten, eventually it's gonna bite you in the ass. But there's another 25 points. Literally 100 and what 30, 40 points right there. Not financial advice, Deline. Not financial advice. Fastest account passed. There you go, Fish Avatar. Look at that shit. You just passed that just bouncing off the 30? Let's fucking go, dude. See, doesn't it get fun when you can find these areas, dude? It's simple for me. Like I'm waiting. I see the reaction, and until it breaks it, I'm gonna keep pressing it, right? But again, you gotta be cautious. But that's fucking hilarious, dude. Oh, dude. Oh. Deline just cut that screenshot of Logan taking a nap. You tired, brother?
Huh? Yeah, I just woke up.
Yeah. Oh, damn, dude. Do you get those headaches after you wake up from a nap in the middle of the day? You don't? Dude, I get headaches. I told my wife, do not let me take naps. Because when I take a nap, I wake up with a headache.
I nap all the time. All the time.
Hurts,
I
man.
take at least one nap a day.
I
My entire
hate
life.
napping because it ruins. If I nap too early, it ruins my day. Because then I have this pounding headache that does not go away, and I'm like, wow.
All I do is nap. I
Lucky
nap
bastard, man.
every day. When I was in when I was in Afghanistan, ever since the military, ever since 2012, the last 14 years, if there was an opportunity where nothing was going on, I didn't need to do anything productive, I'm fucking taking a nap. Minimum of 15 minutes upwards to hour and a half. All the time.
Yeah, man. Like, I don't get migraines because light doesn't bother me. Oh my god, look at this explosion from 730, 60 points right there, 70 points. Look at that, guys. Love this shit. I don't get migraines because light doesn't bother me. I do get them very rarely, but I don't think it's from the nap. The nap is not a migraine. It's like it almost feels like a sinus. Like it hurts right here, like right the eyes up to the nose. Femi, you just missed a master 5-minute 150 point bounces off 30. Literally kept scalping 30 over and over and over again, and it just popped with 70 points.
If it pops above 805.
Sleep apnea. Ooh, that's a good one. I used to have a CPAP. But then I got tested again for sleep apnea, and they told me it was mild. But you know what? I'm
Good
bigger
day.
than I was then. Oh
My
shit! Good
second
day. What does that mean?
FOMC committee meeting as chairman has come quickly.
I mean, Quantum. Look at
It's
Quantum
probably
called that
too
long.
early to call it a streak.
And
Our
the 730
discussions,
bounce.
again, were collegial and constructive. I'm
Oh
truly
shit!
happy to
I
work
mean,
with
yeah,
colleagues
fuck, dude, that thing is
Wait,
going off, guys.
All my accounts just closed.
Wait.
so determined, like I am, to
Is-
sharpen the performance of the Federal Reserve.
It is a.
Today,
Can
as
you
know,
trade
our
news
committee
on
decided to
Tradeify?
vote by a 9-3 vote to maintain the target range for the
Oh,
federal
no.
funds rate at 3.5 to
No,
3.75%.
fuck, okay. I just took a trade on Tradeify account.
Policy of making ample reserves
Shit!
in the banking
What
system.
I
happened?
just got the fuck out of it though.
As soon as I clicked buy, my accounts disappeared.
Impressive
It would have hit my
resilience.
TP.
Even
Shot
with
up fucking
recent
30
shocks,
points.
230 is red folder.
trends are positive.
I closed it
and
so
give
fast.
solid growth.
230's red folder?
I
I thought
was
it was
like,
2
Job
o'clock.
gains have kept pace with the
I thought it was
workforce,
2 o'clock too.
and the unemployment unemployment rate has changed
Oh.
a
I
little.
thought it was 2 o'clock too. I just hesitated like a bitch.
Inflation remains
Fuck.
elevated relative to the committee's 2% goal.
Which accounts did you trade?
The committee remains resolute.
I'd be
You
so
heard
pissed
this
if this account gets closed. Like
we will
I made
deliver
that while
price
scalping that 30 bounce, and I was
As
already up
before,
800,
the
900 on
policy
that account.
statement conveys just the facts.
Tradify is fine.
It's steering clear of
Oh,
forecast.
thank God.
A choice
Woo!
we consider
Alright. Oh, look at that
especially
rejection off that
prudent
800
at
level.
these uncertain times.
We're sandwich, guys. Here's that 720.
Uncertainty, however, does not mean
Uncertainty.
lack
Oh,
of
he's
clarity.
using some.
No,
For
I
some
got the
households,
email.
businesses, and market professionals,
Oh, fuck, dude.
5 years
Ah.
of high
Alright, there's-
inflation have left a mistaken impression. That's hard
That
to shake.
720 level bouncing
The Fed's
hard.
implicit inflation target was
Oh my
somehow
gosh.
above 2%. Let me reiterate, there is no
And
soft
back down we go.
inflation target.
All right, I'm
is
good.
no
Okay.
soft
I got
implicit
that rejection on 47 just
Not
real
on
quick.
this committee's
I
watch,
should stop on this
There's only a
account. Oh
target.
my God.
and it's 2%.
I thought it was
Oh,
at
not
2.
percent.
It's always at 2.
Colleagues is under any illusion.
Since when is it at 2:30?
I thought it was 2 o'clock too.
Chapter, And we
I thought it was 2
understand
o'clock
that
too,
the
man. It wasn't
5+
just you because I
inflation
hesitated.
above target cannot
'Cause
be
I-
cured in
Oh,
one
dude, man.
month
When they said that, I closed
or
my trade so
by a
fast.
single month
But it was good
modest
timing,
price
too.
Decreases.
But Tradify should be
This
fine,
Fed
right? You
will
guys
not
said.
waver.
Oh my God, dude.
Our credibility rests on performing our duties and delivering on our responsibilities.
All right, looks like we're gonna get this
Americans are
failed
right
bearish
to
move here. We're gonna
expect
get this break of 720,
because our nation's
or this
prosperity
volatility is
depends on
insane, guys.
To
Bounce
the
off of
regulars
720
here in the
again.
press room,
But we're
today's
trapped.
assessment might sound familiar, yet there was
I mean-
nothing inertial about our discussions
Until those levels
policy,
break.
or our strategy. Two economic developments are worth highlighting. The first is a very notable change since our last meeting.
We got that
42 days
747
ago.
1 minute level still.
Nominal and real
720,
yields are
701.
materially higher across the Treasury curve.
All right, I gotta switch to an
In
account I do not
fact,
care
some
about.
of the increases in market
I've already
interest
made
rates
plenty on this
between
funded account.
FOMC meetings are among the most significant
That
in
one.
the last 2 decades, ranking around the top decile or so. But if the committee
Fuck,
didn't
okay.
change its policy rate, what happened? In the intermeeting period, market
It is
attention
fucking-
centered on real data and real economic development.
My fucking stage.
Prices react.
Shut up, dude. I just popped 5 of my
Yeah.
accounts because I didn't know that news is at
the
2:30.
referee, and market prices will
They closed my
continue to
Tradify
respond
evil trade,
in the
so I guess
direction
not.
and
They pulled
magnitude
back on
they
me
see
bad. I
fit.
didn't realize
This is,
FFFL
in
have
my view,
news.
a change for the better, and we're just getting started.
Who just popped their accounts? Use code
After all,
BDM,
the
guys.
Central bank need not always everywhere be the
Dude, my
center
Tradify account, I'm kind of scared because I'm
Understand
so
desire
close to
for
payout on that account.
forecasts and commentary from the
And
Fed.
if they close that shit, I'm gonna
But
be
for our
pissed.
part, we
And
need
I don't want to go tilt.
observe
I haven't gone
market
tilt
reaction to
in a while.
developments, direct
And that would send me that will definitely fucking send me tilt.
I want to stress.
I'll
of
be so
course,
fucking pissed.
that decisions by this committee matter a
Oh,
great
I'll be so
deal.
pissed.
And where necessary and appropriate, we will not hesitate
Dude,
to
like
act.
that, the levels right now, we're getting insane level respects right now, guys. And it looks like the 5-minute levels, 800 and that 720.
This month,
719 is where we're bouncing back and forth in between.
the most striking feature of the
So,
economy
we
is
are
the strong growth of
sandwiched.
business investment. The
Pretty good
surge in
right now.
high-tech capex has been remarkable.
We're holding on to this
That
bottom
does not
area. It looks
necessarily
like
make
it is.
the Fed's role.
These wicks are very bully looking, but still,
In
you
the
want to be careful.
AI-related category of high-tech equipment and
You want to be
software,
very careful.
The most recent data shows
Here's 720
4-quarter
again.
growth rates of nearly 20%.
Like we're just waiting for it to say something.
Sustain the healthy momentum
Oh my God, 3
of
micros,
manufacturing
130
on
bucks
the
right there.
More
In a
generally,
blink of an eye. Holy
CapEx
shit, dude, this is
preparing the
insane.
ground for future growth.
This is insane
Well-
right now.
Nonetheless, the precise timing
I-
and magnitude of effects on the supply side remain hard to predict.
My Midgard
Oh,
path
shit.
to live
Meeting
is
produce
gone,
policy
and I have to start over.
decisions.
Wait,
Just as important,
the path to, oh, but the path to live is like that. It's like FFS Pro,
matter most.
where they kind of put you in between.
That too is a priority
Yeah.
in this new chapter at the Fed. In our meeting, vigorous
Damn,
discussion
man.
centered
Yeah, that
on
kinda blows.
4 questions, which I will enumerate. First,
Bah.
we talked a lot about the implications of the past 5 years of high inflation.
If this 1 minute candle closes below 47, then we're gonna get trapped between 20 and potentially
To echo
50.
an old
Alright.
phrase,
But so
Well-
far it's
past
refusing to
will be
close
past.
below.
Second,
Got to load up a
My
fresh 5
colleagues and I
evals, I
considered
guess.
the economic shocks of recent years.
Oh man, that 730
Trade
area is
supply
still holding.
chains arising from the
That's
pandemic,
another 40-point bounce. The 720, 730 area, guys.
energy
It's
supply
giving you free money right
disruptions,
now. If anybody's just playing these
substantial
bounces,
increases in
that's
tariffs,
free money.
and yes,
And
a
I've already
surge in
traded
AI-related investment.
a little
These
too much on
differ
these
other
accounts
sources.
that I'm
I'm
hoping I don't reach.
Output and employment.
What's my end? Oh, Jay
We
Hooley got
took
a
up the
practice
related
session. Never mind.
question of price increases arising from shocks. The business capex boom, for example, is driving up prices of memory and logic chips and associated AI infrastructure.
All right, back to
Do these
800. That's
changes
the next
indicate
5-minute
a
level.
broader inflationary dynamic, or do we just focus on them
Ripping through it.
because they are under the bright streetlight? Finally, we discuss monetary policy tools and strategies for achieving stable
Rejecting a
prices.
little bit.
If, as the Fed has long held, interest rate policy should be its primary monetary policy instrument, how
Holy
much
shit, what a
accommodation
ripper.
are we getting from the balance sheet? In all of this, our
2
work
minutes
is
setting
advancing
up for a
at the Fed.
push here. 845, then
The right
870.
questions. And in this consequential time, we know how very much
See what it does up here. 845, 75, then 870, above 870, and then we'll see that 911.
So let's turn to them now.
Oh shit, she's ripping, guys.
Thank you for taking our
Logan,
question.
could you reach
Mr.
out to
Chairman.
support and say that you thought it was?
We've had a couple
There's
months now, or
860.
9 weeks
There's 865.
to see the markets behave in the
All
absence
right, needs to break that
of,
870 next.
forward
And that's a
guidance.
5-minute level.
I'm wondering if you could tell me
Needs to rip through that.
what
Then we see
message are
potentially
you getting
911.
from the markets as to where policy ought to be
What
going
a freaking hold of that 720, 730 area. What a freaking hold. Did anybody play those bounces like I did?
From markets is the message from markets.
Every time it went down there, it just kept getting by.
Trying to do, Steve, as I think you appreciate, your colleagues appreciate,
No.
is getting an
I was,
Yeah.
those wicks will tell them.
They sent an email beforehand saying I cannot trade my accounts at 2 p.m. and 2:30. So,
judge for ourselves
broke the
what
rules.
does that mean about our remit? How are we doing
Hell
on
yeah.
inflation?
Well,
How are we doing on employment?
back to you,
guys.
Trying not to interfere with that market signal. That's part of the reason why we've been somewhat spare in our words, why we pulled
Man.
back from forward guidance.
Not gonna lie, my heart started racing a little bit because that account, I would be so blown. If that account got breached.
This is a good thing. As I mentioned in the prepared remarks, we've seen a material
'Cause
decline,
I'm-
not just in nominal rates. but
I
in
still got how many days till July ends? I got 2 days, right?
Um,
Yeah.
we're
So that's gonna be
observing it.
ready for a
We're
payout
trying to stay
tomorrow.
out of that because, many of you might be interested in our
And
reaction
I'm gonna have my
function.
July tally is gonna be
We're
pretty
interested in
good.
the reaction of financial markets.
Holy shit, here goes the 870.
that, Mr. Chairman.
But
And
that needs to
I
hold
guess
above on the
follow-up question
5-minute.
is, if the
Then we could see
markets are
911.
against you, what do you hear them saying?
SPX broke back
And if
inside
its
of
real
orb.
rates are higher, it would suggest that
Goes.
that's
Gonna
where the
keep
fund
pushing.
ought to go.
Yeah, so,
I'm an idiot, dude.
I'm sorry, what's your question?
I'm an
So,
idiot.
Interpreting
Nah, man,
markets
it's-
is an imperfect.
Did I ever bet on
I
FOMC
trade- I-
words?
We central bankers like market pros can think.
I
of
traded my
simple
funded too, bro,
returns.
but like,
Let me
yeah,
offer,
I guess
some
Tradify is safe.
speculation.
But still.
First,
Oh,
as
there
we
goes.
said
Look at
in
that.
class,
There was
FOMC
870, 911
about
coming
2
in.
o'clock.
There's 911.
Output,
Baby.
solid. CapEx.
There you go,
Whatever.
level to level, guys. Right into sauce box. Look at that. It's
Labor markets.
playing out these
solid.
levels super clean right now.
I was on their path to live anyway, so
Free market
not a big deal.
seems to be saying
It's-
that as well.
I have
Were
so I have
try
to do
break down
5 days of
disaggregate
evals
the
again,
treasury
and then I'll just be
market
back to
signals.
the
I
same
wouldn't be
spot.
able to do it perfectly.
I just got to deal with it for another
Okay,
week.
so they put you straight in.
Any of those
Okay.
same
Yeah.
things, and that's why we're seeing
Yeah,
a
that's
tightening
kinda- okay,
both
that's
in
kinda cool.
I just
nominals
got to
and
do
in reals.
half the
All right.
live and then
Even though
or
in some
evals,
ways
and then
we
I'm half the
haven't
live
done
again. So
much
whatever.
in 42 days.
I just got to suck it up for 5 more days.
931.
Quite a bit.
Holy shit, what a ripper. Holy shit, what a ripper.
Claire Jones, Financial Times.
What a long
You seem to have got the family fight you were after at this meeting. We saw
220 points from that 720
You can
bounce.
turn
I
this
thought.
FOMC off.
Ridiculous.
arguments
We
that
don't-
used
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, I think it's all good.
Tell
We're
us a
done
little
now.
bit why
I don't give a fuck about
you
these
weren't
people.
persuaded by them at this stage.
Let's see if we can hold above 950, then we could see 980. 980 if we can hold above that 950. But there's a nice little rejection so far.
Logan,
Wow.
finally. What's finally? You made $7,000. Why is that finally?
Did you go Pro Plus?
1 out of 18 on YOLOs. Hell yeah, dude.
Did you make that?
Hell
Did you
yeah.
make back your investment? Are you
Was that
break
my
even,
long
Lama?
I said? Was that the long I said to take?
1 out of
Oh
18
yeah, dude.
YOLOs. That's fucking
I took a
hilarious,
long and
dude.
it popped all my accounts because it said I couldn't trade news. So,
Oh man. Damn,
oh
Lama, you
yeah.
got it at 720. Let's fucking go, dude. Yeah, that was that area I was looking at too, bro. Did you have you had data sweep? Okay, you had a data sweep. Oh, did you have something down there? But yeah, dude, look at these levels, dude. Look at this. Like you just held every single one of these. Almost tapped that 701, but just clean hold. Just clean hold of those levels, bro. And I was saying, and it was funny, Lava, is like when we came on, I was like, every time I hit 730, 720, I'm just gonna hit buy. I collected like 120 points before the explosion happened. Like 5 minutes. That was fun as hell.
I took one long, which would have hit TP. As soon as I clicked long, it was at 231. Popped my accounts instantly because I traded the Midgard live path to live on news. So it instantly popped them. And so now I've reset my accounts as evals. And so now I'm going to trade them again. But despite it being MOC, FOMC, and we used to have fun during this time frame, I will continue to trade responsibly, even though these are evals, and I will not trade ATR this high. So till ATR drops by 10 points, I'm not trading for the rest of Power Hour.
I don't know if you saw what it was at when you came in. It was at 61, like right when I logged in. It's at 43 now, so it's dropped 20. So it's calmed down a bit. All right, here's the 950 break and retest. Will it push up to the 80s though? Will it get some mustard here?
I don't think it was 61.
There's a nice little retest. There's a break and retest, but the 80 is the next area where there'll be some resistance. Oh man, look how close it got. It's definitely reacting up. It hit 72. Like instant push. 80s is the next resistance area I'm looking at. But that got really close. It's very bully. Dude. There's 80. There's 80. Boom. Look at that. 950 break and retest. Clean as butter. Oh my gosh. Beautiful break and retest. There's the 80 rejection. We need to break 87. Then we have 28,005. This 28,005, 28,007. After that, we have 28,029 to 28,045. Oh, look at that, right? Right below it. That's where we stalled out for now. Clean. Check my email? Oh, God. Why? She's scaring me, saying, check my email.
Goth Girl Spit energy drink sold out in under an hour. Dude, I should fucking resell this.
Damn, dude.
I should resell
Real? That shit's... What am I looking for? I don't see anything. She said to check my email. I don't see anything. Oh, she wants me to check to see if I can... Yeah, no, right? Must be some good spit. No, nothing. It's safe. The Tradeify accounts are safe so far. Whew.
What flavor is that? It's Goth Girl Spit. That's the flavor. What do you mean?
Yeah, it tastes like spit from Jenna Ortega's mouth. Logan would know. I'm sad you. Half of you. What's that word I'm looking for? Oh my God, there's a word I'm looking for, and I just completely blanked. Half of you perverts out there would definitely gladly drink Jenna Ortega spit. She does, mandated. Yeah, see, you're one of mine, mandated. That's what exactly I used to think about. What's her name? Ariana Grande. Like she looked too much like a kid. Tradeify doesn't have a news rules. Thank God. Whew. All right, we're ripping through the 80s now. There. Oh, we hit 28,005 already. All right,
He said
20,005.
that account should happen, Crip. I love seeing you punch some slob props in the throat. You'll hammer them fools again. Appreciate you, Crip. There's no biggie. I'm just delayed 5 days. 5 days back, no, not a problem. No sweat. I got to go through 15 days of their program before they give me $20,000 for live account. I'm in no rush. They're going to give me 20K. I just got to add another 5 days on top. They'll give me 20 bands, and then I'm going to make a fucking fuck ton of money. I'm close to almost 100K week in payouts. 100K week in payouts.
Yeah, that's bonkers, man. Went full pour on the funded next. You said, God damn, bro. Oh shit. Look at this thing is just going from level to level right now. Like nonstop, just ripping. 2805. Just hit that whole pocket. That 2945 pocket on that clean wick right there. We break through this. Next is going to be that golden MVG up at 28.1. But we need to hold above that 50. That 2850 needs to hold. I'm about to delete this guy, this guy. We're just ripping through every barrier it created on this big down move. All right. We're at the top of orbit 2 now. Holy crap. What a flip. What an FOMC flip. And the majority of us should have caught it from the bottom. Like literally caught it from the bottom. Like crazy. We're up to 3 PHP entry spoon. There you go. See, look at that. Yeah, I could see it too. Like I could see it. Like I know PHP caught this shit. It's very clean movement.
Yeah, it's you can trade. These are PHP setups, but I don't like trading this high of ATR. So,
and see, guys, that's where you could take notes on discipline right there. Right? He's very strict with what his criteria for trading is, and I love that, man. I do love that. Me, I just like to click buttons. But I click buttons with so small size. My wife got me. I click button with small size, so it doesn't really affect me if I take a nap. I can hear my wife yelling at me.
this is what we call a god girl.
Look at Shah. Very nice. What's a god girl? Let's see. Show us. We still have 2 big ass earnings too. We still have Meta. And who else? Who else is earnings today? You're right. This shit's gonna stay volatile for the rest of the day, I think.
Is a god girl.
Kind of looks like
Izzy
if she had a longer neck and if she was whiter.
Don't disrespect this girl like that.
What's wrong with that?
Hell no. Banana bread? Hell yeah.
Banana bread. I feel like she'd do a ritual while you'd be sleeping, bro.
Hell yeah. Looks like she bites.
You'll wake up and there's gonna be fire, and she'll be like, some weird shit like that. That's what I picture in my head. That's what I'm picturing. Your dick might be cut off. She'll be holding it, like licking the blood. Oh God, I just made myself nauseous. Freak myself out. I just freaked myself out, dude. Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, I was checking earnings. Oh, who was it? I know Meta's doing earnings today. All right, let's see who else. Thursday, Meta, ARM, Qualcomm.
Waterboard me with God Girl Spit.
Chipotle.
Do they advertise that? They actually I just pre-ordered the shirt. Do they actually have shirts like that? That's actually pretty funny. It's a military. It's a veteran-owned company, so you guys gotta imagine they're fucking. They're gonna be just like degenerate on like things that they say and do. Do they actually have a shirt that says that? That's hilarious. Oh, they literally have that waterboard me with goth girl spit. That's hilarious.
Erica immediately going to get her tattoo and nose piercing done today. Right, Paulin? She immediately called, made her appointment. Can you guys tattoo exactly like this? And I need that nose piercing.
Hell yeah.
She would totally dominate. She would totally dominate him.
The good nap, Chris.
Where's that strap on hidden?
The fuck?
It's gonna be there somewhere. She looks like the pegging type. She looks like the where'd he go? Where'd he go? No. Across the line, y'all. Across the line. Yeah. Oh man, she's still ripping, man. She's just breaking through every barrier like it's nothing right now. So many break and retests. So many break and retests. Right up. We got that golden MVG at 28.99. It's like 28.1, 28.995, 75? 28.99, 75.
Okay, I would never trade at 25K. It doesn't make sense logistically. It doesn't make sense to trade 25Ks. If you're looking at the mathematical, like math behind it, you can't trade 25Ks, especially if you're going to have high ATR or high volatility or volume. You don't have enough leverage or room to trade 25Ks. It makes zero sense. The best accounts you should ever try trade 50K.
Even the Orb BNR played out right now. This is wild. The Orb BNR, like beautiful. Like everything is just amazing price action right now. Usually KG use is considered over 2 minutes after. That's usually the rule of thumb. Yeah, 1 minute before. It depends on the prop. I think I've read somewhere it's 2, but can't remember which ones. They kind of vary, I think. Pollen's right. Most of them are 1 minute. Yeah, Flames. We caught the long, and I played that bounce off that bottom area like 5 times for 30 points each, and then it exploded. And Lama caught one out of 18 YOLOs. I think he's break even on his resets. It's been eventful first 50 minutes. 28.15 would be that next potential resistance point, right below that 29.1. That 29.1 golden MVG. That would be a potential strong resistance point. That whole 28.15, 28.115, 28.1, already kind of rejecting a little bit. I play these a little different, right? Yes, they're good for fills potential, but I like to use them as also potential resistance points if I see everything lining up. But 28.15, above 28.115, then you have 28.162 to 28.177. This one broke as well. We're just breaking through everything. So there's that. Look at that. 96 hit, rejected off 96. Oh, wow. That's a nice strong rejection. Are Lucid daily payout caps the highest against all firms? I have no, I haven't looked at those daily payouts from Lucid because I've just been milking the pro and the flexes. I haven't needed to get a new account yet from them. Yeah, do not FOMO, don't know yet. Do not FOMO. That thing played out already. There was a nice rejection right near that golden MVG. These are areas for me that are potential resistance points when they get up, especially after a big ass move like that. That was a 40-some point rejection right there. saying I'm effing disgusted. I was in at 416, bottom of the fucking day, getting wicked out by 1 point around 480. I'd be up almost 700 points. But you're up, Captain, right? You're up. That's the kind of talk. That's the kind of talk, Captain, that's going to lead you down the wrong path, right? Like being sick of yourself because you didn't catch 700 points, but you caught 400 plus. Get that shit out of your head. Yeah, get that shit out of your head, man.
Buddy, I've never even caught a 500 point trade. I've never even caught a 300 point
Yeah.
trade. I'm also one of the most profitable prop firm traders in the whole fucking world. I don't give a fuck about points. All I care about is payouts.
Exactly. Exactly. Yes, exactly. Right. That's the thing about, that's why, yeah, exactly. I love what you said, bro. Because like everyone's like, oh, I'm going to put this many points. I'm like, I get payouts. I don't care. Like, I don't
Do you mind
catch huge
sharing the
points.
protein carb intake that you shared several days ago? It was like a formula you shared. I'll share it for my students. I used to charge people for that, not even kidding. I'll give it to my students.
Yep, got to be happy with catching part of the move. Exactly, right? The institutional traders, right? They don't go and start flexing. Oh, I just caught a 500 point move, right? They catch that little piece that they need, and that's it. Okay, they just need that little tiny piece. Okay, fucking. Somebody showed me how to adjust this damn camera. I haven't done. I'm just lazy. I'm just too lazy to do it.
DSO Battalion. Dog, your color's green. It's been. You've been asking a lot of dumbass questions today. You're my boy. You're one of my students.
He's like, oh yeah, I forgot I spent 13.
But you've been fucking retarded today, my man.
Yeah, I mean, but yeah. Oh man.
I haven't gotten a lot of sleep lately. Get some sleep, my man. Get some rest, brother. You're not missing anything. The ATR is too high. You know we don't trade this. Go get some sleep, dog. I'll get you that formula. I'll get you that formula for you, man.
That's hilarious, dude. All right, I want to see if this flips here. If this breaks 320, I want to see a break and retest of 320. If we're going to get a flip in trend. But if this 320 holds and we get a continuation push and we break through that MVG, then the uptrend is continuing. Oh, we're going to get a 1 minute range here. 2 minutes setting up for a pull down, but the 2 minute needs to stay well below 2860. Needs to stay well below 2860. See, nope, didn't want to stay purple. So we're just kind of hanging out in here right now. So yeah, if this guns it, we're going to get that break potential, but I want to see what's going to happen here. Okay, now the 2 minute got a little tighter, so now it looks like we need to stay below 268 on the 2 minute if this is going to potentially push down to that 820. But she's ranging right now, so be very patient, very cautious. I mean, that explosive move up was just beautiful. It was just a beautiful move. Yeah, there's that pushback down.
What's your favorite flavor of crayon? Red.
Red. Red's my favorite color. Only because I'm a Redskins fan now. Well, burgundy, technically. Well, there was that little pushback to 820, but if this 820 breaks, there could be another leg down. But for now, we're just hanging out. We got 820 and 870. Oh, shoot. As soon as I said that,
Easy.
pushed right up.
Payouts. Student of mine, PHP. Let's go.
Another leg up? We're going to do another leg up here? That's gonna be that 20 was gonna be the lower high potentially here. We're gonna break through that 100, make our way to 15. This will be a break and retest, but we're hitting another little wall here. There's the MVG fill, so this needs to close above that 100, and then we have a potential shot up to 815. When it just filled it, the wick. So another rejection there. Could not continue. This is the retest of that break of that 68 area right now. 2 minute is kind of signaling to me like it wants to pull down a bit. Here's that 68 area retest.
Logan's gay, Javi's tight.
Huh?
Interesting.
That sounds
Max
super
said
gay.
that I'm gay and you're tight.
I mean, he would know.
Logan gay, tight.
I wore his robe, remember?
Logan gay, Javi.
You know what you had to do to wear his robe? Yeah, 2 minute push is taking over. That 2 minute push is taking over. This is gone. Logan's shirt looked very large. Sleeves had never been filled out. Oh,
This is
my
a
God.
3XL. This is a 3XL.
Nah, now 3XL will look more like a trash bag.
I can show you. The tag says 3XL. The 3 triple XL.
That's
Stop
the
trying to be
thinnest
me. It's
3XL
gross.
I've
Yeah,
ever
why
seen
do
in
you
my
think I'm eating
life.
so much? Why do you think I'm eating so much? I was thinking about quitting the
Oh,
gym.
shit. Yeah, that 2 minute push came in hard. Oh shit, wrong one. Yeah, that 2 minute push came in clean. Holy crap, what a
Civil
move.
regime. Yeah, Dark Sport and Civil Regime. I actually got another shirt that's going to be here in the next hour or two. I don't know what it's going to be, though, so we'll see. 90% of my clothes is silver.
We're gonna get a retest of 20
This
again,
one
or this
is,
is gonna keep.
I don't know who this one is. Venom? I think it's Venom. I think. I can't see my back. I can't remember what I put on.
Doo-doo-doo.
I bet Lama's working out. Dude, I go 3 or 4 days a week. I play pickleball, dude. I'm working out.
Pickleball. Wait, what is pickleball? That's like, isn't that an old people game?
Yes. He works out 4 days a week, dude. He plays pickleball and I forgot what the other one he said. I want to say like probably like table tennis, like ping pong or something.
Another white people game, ping pong. No, that's more Asian game too. I see a lot of like very, very aggressively talented and also competitive Asians playing ping pong. Like,
Question for Logan: at what ATR would you take a trade? Around the 30 and minimum 30 under 5.
what's it at? What's for
42.
5? It's still at 42. Holy shit.
Ping pong.
5
is
minutes
pure
about to
cardio.
lock in the level at 28.30.
How y'all trade this
Let's
evo and not
go.
get pushed alive? Because I know this prop now. No. Oh, okay. I'm gonna.
There's an anime called Ping Pong.
Here. Yo, Logan, how y'all still trade this eval and not get pushed to live? Because I know this prop, know y'all rinse them on a daily. Yikes. Okay. Let's get hooked on phonics for this guy first. Angel, so I've been pushed live with 6 props. 6 props, I think it is.
Yeah.
Let me go through the list. I can tell you right now.
Yo, Logan, how you all
All right, Lucid,
trade this eval and not
PT,
get pushed to
Tradeify,
as well?
Apex, Funded Family Futures, My Funded Futures, Midgard. 7, actually.
Damn, 7, bro. That's insane.
7, yeah, I said it. Lucid, TPT, Tradeify, Apex, Family Funded Futures,
Midgard.
Midgard.
Who's the
I'm missing
7th?
one. Yeah, what was the 7th one? Lucid, TPT, Tradeify, Apex, Family Funded Futures, My Funded Futures, My Funded
Alpha.
Futures, and not Alpha in Midgard.
Okay, never mind.
Lucid, TPT,
Oh yeah, MFF. MFF.
My
Yeah.
Future, Funded Futures Family, Midgard. I've been pushed live with all of them. My accounts right now, Angel, why I said I'm trading evals. I'm retarded. And I opened up my Path to Live accounts, my funded accounts with Midgard. I hit $80,000 in payouts. They're like, you're going Path to Live. They gave me 5 Path to Live accounts. I opened up a trade at 231 and my accounts popped because you can't trade at news. So now I have to fucking redo it. I asked support and I was like, what does this mean? And they're like, well, you got to do evals you got to pass an eval and then we're just going to give you a Path to Live again. So
Gotta send them.
Never,
just gotta send them until you pass her.
I've never been able to. Honestly, it's impressive work. Imagine pulling out almost $70,000 from a prop in 1 week, and then also just popping your live account as soon as you get it.
Oh my god, dude! This push down came in clean. So that 2-minute was set up for a push down all the way up here at around 80. At 70 or 70 or 80, I can't remember what it was. That level locked in and it just tanked hard. So hard.
I'm saying I'm blown away. Yeah, dude, whatever. At least I was honest about it. At least I was honest. I just literally was like, yeah, this long is looking good. Click buy, and they just disappeared. And then I instantly get 5 emails for each account saying, let me read it to you guys. It literally said,
I just played this sauce box break and retest right here at 908 for any students that got that.
Oh, it tells me how many contracts I went in, the time I entered. Yeah. After review, your account has been closed due to the following compliance issue. News trading violation. Trade was opened during a high impact news detected at July 29th at 2:31 FOMC press conference using MNQ. Cooked.
All right, 846 is kind of where I'm potentially going to look for reaction. 846. If I see none, then this thing is just going to keep melting. But oh my god, what a sauce! That sauce box short, I'm up 50 points right now. That was the cleanest break and retest of sauce box I've seen. For happy hour, for power hour. Oh, there you go. I got trailed out right there. There's that 46 area. They got out right there at 46. So no reaction so far. Ooh, a little reaction, but looks like we're just pushing down. That was a nice little, almost 60-point trade right there. Let's see. Dow rules. All right, 46. Whoa, shit. What a bounce off 46. Holy crap. That candle just teleported. Well, damn. Anybody catch that 46 reaction right there? There's 40 points. That's where I rode the short down to 46 and it bounced off of 46. Levels are leveling. All right. Please read what shit? I'm an idiot. Oh, sorry. You're an idiot? No, what an idiot. I can't read. Can't fucking read. Oh, that dyslexia kicked in so hard on that for some reason. Holy shit. Oh my god. Dude, anybody catch that 46 bounce for a nice 50, 60 points? That's where I was waiting for a reaction. Oh my god. Nah, but I fuck with those role play guys heavy.
All right. We
Oh,
want
nice.
we want the Wolverine one. So mystery box.
Oh shit, what a bounce off. Dude, that 70-point bounce off of 46, guys. Oh man. Javi, what makes you so good? Quantum, the levels. It's literally the main thing, right? Sauce box and quantum. No, I should start calling sauce box gravity zones. It's gonna be so hard to lean off sauce box. I'm gonna be truthful. It's hard for me not to call it sauce box.
Or
You just
show what it
rejected
is.
sauce box again.
Look at the size. Triple XL.
3. Yeah, some skinny dude made that. Some dude who's like Nick
All right,
size
I'm okay with that.
made that shirt,
Give me Deadpool.
and he calls that 3X. And it's a badass looking shirt, though.
Javi, you just go to the fucking. You just go into your living room and pull the drapes off the fucking. You just pull your
Yeah,
drapes
put the
off.
curtains off. Hold
I
on,
wanna
hold
hear
on. I got a script for you guys. I got look at this. All right, I'm pretty sure this size, this shirt's like 3X or some shit, or 5X. I don't know. Hold on. This one's 5. This one's 5, and this one fits big on me. Like this fits big on me. Like this one actually looks like a trash bag. So I'm questioning if that's a true 3X. All right, guys, showing some skin. Oh yeah. All right, I gotta be Priscilla. Or some tits.
Cool. It's a good gym shirt.
Look how like look how loose this shit is on me. It's like super loose.
Can you guys see my comment on Facebook? Yes. Do you guys still mess with Apex, or are they not likely to pay a full 30K on 20 accounts? Vinny, I have withdrawn over $100,000 from Apex, and I'm live with them now. And I made $4,000 on my live account with them today. So, yes. Apex is a great prop firm. Anybody who says Apex isn't a good prop firm just doesn't know how to follow the fucking rules.
This is gonna 3-bar up on this 2-minute, or we're still gonna reject Shoshbox. We gotta break back over Shoshbox if this wants to go back up. We're also at midline of orb. It's just bounced off the bottom of orb too. That 46 area with the bottom of orb, extra strong. Extra strong. Oh God. Oh no. Priscilla's gonna. Oh, that's gonna be interesting to see for sure. Pavi, Pavi. Man, I want to watch the 1, 2, 5, 50. Yeah, I mean the 15-minute chart. Yeah, I only look at the 1, 2, and 5. I used to only look at the 1 and 5, but the 2 just adds a little extra. Like, especially when the market structure flips from the 1 and the 1 looks funky, I love looking at the 2 and the 5. 2. All right. 5-minute is getting surrounded. We're getting surrounded here. Today's orb was kind of small, 996. Oh, it's not tiny. It looks, compared to the size of these candles, it looks small. Like one 5-minute candle almost engulfed the entire orb. This is wild to see, honestly. Oh, there goes. There she goes. She's got to close inside, break the mid, break the top, and then we might have a push back up to that 2818. Top of orb is 2800. Right?
What are your thoughts on Top Step saying minimum we should be in a trade for no longer than a minute? I don't give a fuck what anybody's opinion is on trading.
Yeah.
Top Step also isn't a partner of ours, so I don't really care.
Yeah. Top Step.
It doesn't matter. Here's my opinion. You want to know what my opinion is on people giving an opinion on my trading? I don't give a fuck.
For fast fingers. Oh, they. The wife with the little face.
My morning setup, 2 of my strategies averaged less than 30 seconds.
Yeah. Carlos, for me, the market, like, especially when I'm looking at the DOM, it moves slow. Like, for everybody else, it moves fast. But I told people this. I used to trade on the 15 and 30-second chart back in the day. 15-second and 30-second look insanely fast to the untrained eye. When you've been staring at a 15-second and 30-second chart for like months, it starts to slow the hell down a lot. Same thing when I'm looking at price action, right? I'm usually trying to get in really close to my stops if it's insane movement so that I can quickly get out, right? Usually hit exit all, cancel all if I'm on my phone. And on the computer, I can just set the stops pretty easily.
After days and days of asking for my payout and refund from Alpha, we received a refund. Refund amount should be reflected. Yeah, I think you're cooked, Spoon. I don't think Alpha's going to pay anybody out.
Yeah, even though they said,
Anybody.
yeah.
That's a sick shirt. I wish I had that shirt, Chris.
Could not break out the sauce box. Rejection. Failed bullish move. Still need to break below this 5-minute level. 846 needs to break below 846. If we do break here this time, it is 788. Potentially flipping to a downtrend here. That would confirm the lower high on the 1 where the sauce box is. Would like to see a 5-minute candle closure below as well. I bet sober at least burn 300 calories burned. What's he doing? Is he jerking off? That's about 300 calories. One hand. You gotta do what do you call it? Reps, right? Like 20 pumps, then you rotate. That's reps. I don't use both. Nah, one hand's got to chill for a little bit. The other one's the backup, right? One hand is a support system. When one gets tired, the other takes over.
I bet Lama is at least 300 calories burned right now. I'm trying to find that conversation with Lama that we had. Where he was just talking
My
about.
wife is just yelling at me. Oh my god. Good shit, Aztec Warrior. Like everything's leveling, all the levels are leveling, the sauce box is sauce boxing. Like this is a very clean price action right now for power hour. Yeah, it's just a pretty small. Oh god, Vax again. I locked the door. Oh wait, she knows how to open that damn door. Damn it. I'm used to it.
Walking, swimming, and pickleball. 3 to 4 times a week.
How many pumps till the center of the Tootsie Pop?
Pumps?
It's definitely an analogy. It's how many pumps till, right? You got to count per second, right? So if I got to do, right, if it's like 5 per like every 10 seconds, that's like 50, like 60 per minute. I want to say.
Thinking I can't do that math.
If my broken ass takes an hour.
Nice rhythm. You like that?
Damn.
Rhythm, right?
Like 6,000. No wonder my arms are so big.
You gotta interval it. You gotta interval it. The speed.
Let me see. Hold on.
And just jackrabbit it. You know what I mean?
Okay. All right. Can you guys tell which arm is bigger? That's how you can tell which hand I use. It's like one hand takes the most brunt. They're both pretty flabby. Dude, this thing is just dumping right now. There's that next level, 719. Broke that 46 and just dumped. 719 is the next little area below 719.
I did before I put the gray sweat pants on.
Oh, wait. We came all the way back down where we jumped? No way. Holy hell. We just came back all the way down from where that pop happened. And it just jumped off of 720. 24-point bounce right there. But again, be careful here because this is looking pretty
This
buried.
fucking PHP's retarded. Long, short, consolidation, short. If you're somebody who trades high ATR, easy money.
Yeah. Very easy money today. There's that break of 720 finally. Yeah, this thing is melting. That's why I gotta be careful now. Be very careful now because we just made this whole move up. Right, so I'm saying be careful. We made that whole move up. Right? This is a hell of a failed bullish move here. This is where it held. Now the fact that we're back down here. Be very careful. Next area, if it manages to close below 701, 655, then 620. 620 would be the next area. I mean, Hardwick up. It Hardwicked up really violently.
Why are you blushing? What are you talking about?
See if this closes.
How many
I think it
pandas
was
are there?
above.
I feel like we have like fucking so many pandas and just every different colored panda. What
20
about
point
this?
here.
No, that's pretty gay. If I wore a shirt that said Big Daddy, incredibly homosexual.
Pretty much, yeah. Very. You would definitely get asked questions about your boyfriend if you wore something that said Big Daddy. Oh, yeah. I kind of want to test the 700 hold if it closes above here. It's already kind of going though. This one just kind of a little quick scalp. There it kind of goes. All right, there it went. Yep, there it goes. All right. It's like a low psychological levels. Yep, that was a nice little scalp right there. And trailing my last one. That pushed up all the way to 744 before it pushed back down. All right, trailing my last one right here. And it's going to take me out. Ooh, just edged me. Just edged my runner. Just edged my runner. Yeah, it was an insane short. Insane short. Started all the way up here. 28-1. Golden MVG filled and then just rejected. Rejected hard. My runner is still alive. Barely alive because it almost got pulled out on that pullback, but it's kind of going to consolidate here, I think. What time is it? 7:25. We still have freaking 25 minutes till till MLC. Yeah, got trailed out right there. I mean, it keeps holding this area though. It's going to strat 6 me watch on my runner. I made 200 on that play anyway, so I'm not going to complain.
How can this guy even interact in the live? I don't know. It doesn't make sense. There's just like one or two people that like slip in every once in a while.
What are you talking about?
Like the fucking people who just have no thing, anything. They've got no like
oh, like they're not verified or nothing, and they just you're able to come in.
2K on the funded with PHP. Good shit. Good shit.
Okay, finally broke those levels. There's 655. I caught that one bounce. That was it. I didn't play it again. I didn't see the reaction I looked for, and now we're coming down to 620. 620 would be the next area that I would eyeball. 620.
Does anybody remember what the eval consistency rule is on Midgard?
50%.
50?
I believe. Is it 50 or 40? It's 40. Yeah, it's 40. 40. 50 is TPT. Midgard's slightly less than yeah, it's 40. 55 breaks. Next area is again, right? 620 to 630, 628 to 620. SPX is approaching levels at 73.57. It's kind of holding on to this level for now. There is a little bit of curling occurring with the action lines, but not yet.
All right, here's what we're gonna do.
620, 620.
You don't know Thor's consistency, thou shalt be struck down. Again.
If it gives it
rinse
to
this
me,
prop anyway.
It didn't give it to me. Oh well. All right. Rinse your filthy puss.
I don't know if you should say that on YouTube, Javi.
Stinky. But I didn't complete it. I didn't say E.
But I don't think that matters. I don't think that matters.
I think it does.
Don't think it does. But all right. We're just gonna move past that one.
I didn't complete the word. It could be puss in boots, right? Yeah, somebody just put puss in boots up. I can say puss in boots. Long pause. I long pause on purpose. Good. That is all for Max right there. I read what Max puts up. So put something else, and I just have to be careful. Last time I read a name, it almost came out really bad for me. Her mom heard. Lo siento, señora madre de Erika. Lo siento muchísimo. Suck my balls. What's that? What's that chef song? What was that? What was that chef song from South Park? Suck on my.
I don't know, but everybody click long right now. Not financial advice.
Chocolate salty balls. Yeah, that's what it was. The chocolate salty balls. That's right. That's a classic right there. Good old chef. Get it while they're
What
hot.
is 9,000 minus 60%?
9,000. Holy. My math could not math that fast. I mean, my brain could not math that fast. Do-do-do.
Don't pass. Don't pass it. Don't pass it. Don't pass it. Don't pass it. Slow down. Slow down.
I wonder what those taste like, Erica. They taste like avocado. That's why I keep saying I have a dick tree in my backyard.
Oh yeah, consistency. Hey, hell yeah. Banana bread. Hell yeah. Popping your accounts. Hell no. Inconsistency. Hell yeah. Told you guys long.
Look.
Said long. Not financial advice.
Logan, Max is trying to steal your girl. Max trying to steal a girl already.
Oh yeah, Max, that's all you, homie. Lay up. Here you go, brother. That's you. You got that.
No, she's only got eyes for Logie.
Oh,
that's
you
how
do.
it works.
I'm shooting you the layup, my guy. That's you. It's my anniversary. What the fuck? Right.
He's trying to snag a hydrocolon cleanse. Oh, yeah, that's right. Her mama does the hydrocolon cleanse on that weird ass machine. She's done with Logan already. I respect them. Damn, she moved on fast. What's his name, Erica? What's his name? Rico Suave? Suavemente. Bésame. Right? Got that hair and everything.
That's burners.
Where's his name going to be? Chad. Chad Bronson.
Here you guys go. I'm the fucking goat. Go. I am done trading. 4 more days. 4 more days, and we're back on the path to live.
Bullish move back down to 65, 650. It has to break underneath 96. Has to close underneath 96. Already kind of shit, man. These things just melt though. These things have no chill. Failed bullish move incoming. There it goes. Look at that.
Hey guys, I'm trying to buy
No
some
chill. Just breaks and melts.
50%. BDM code currently is
Everyone always thinks that option. Oh my god, look at that melt. They broke 95, but there's no break and retest today. It's just breaks and goes.
not active anymore. Premier Plus off 50%. Premier Prime Plus. Did you? It limits 2 uses, so you maybe used it more than twice. Logan is probably thinking, "How do I always get paired up with Hobby?" Not really a thought that I've had since I've been on the Power Hour show with Hobby since.
Yeah, I think it's more like
March a year ago.
Crazy shit is Hobby gonna say today? I think that's what happens. Like, what kind of shit? What kind of stupid shit is Hobby gonna say today?
Hobby was talking about lasting longer than an hour session, and I'm here thinking, how do you do that? I'm thinking, I get tired quick. What are you taking? Brother,
I have a problem. Apparently, my cholesterol is clogging my nut.
Not trying to do it.
According to Dr. Max, right? I thought it was a gift, and then my wife started questioning it too. It's like, what's wrong with you? And now I'm like, I don't know. I don't know anymore. But some people also fail to listen to the whole conversation, right? Because I did say the conversation was a lot of the extra time comes from finding the content you want to finish to. Like that's where the extra time comes from. Like you're almost, and then you're like, you know what? I gotta find something better. So everyone missed that part. They think I'm stroking it for a whole hour. I would probably die if that were true.
Hey, what is 3,600?
You gotta stop and scroll. Like, you know what? Nah, not that one.
I just made $18,000 in one trade.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Hell yeah. Bread?
You know what's crazy? You caught that nice little peak right before it flipped.
Yeah.
That's what's crazy too. Yeah. And we melted, man. That thing broke that 96.
I mean, we've been trending very well, right? It went long, short, consolidation, short, bounced off of my 5-minute and 1-minute PHP. So it's probably gonna go long for a little bit. As soon as I saw the bounce, took it, ripped up from my entry. 47 points.
We're off the screen. Yeah, now we're in the new sauce box. Break below 75. Next, we would have 527, 526. That was a crazy move down from that push up. Just beautiful. Sauce box to sauce box, too. Look at that. 911 all the way down to 6. That's 300 freaking points. Next would be 526. Got 491, 450. We are in April territory here. For my students, they know we are in April territory. Don't forget the time. Oh, fucking love Mr. Talley. And Mr. Hanky. Mr. Hanky, the Christmas poo. Oh my God. That first time me and my brothers watched that episode, we could not stop laughing. Every time he would bounce around, he would just leave a poo mark everywhere. Man, South Park, when it first came out, I mean, it's still good. It's still really good. All right. It was a great power hour, yeah. FOMC was pretty nice, very smooth price action. Waiting on MOC, but at this point, I mean, dude, everyone should be so freaking done. Like everyone should be so freaking done. I'm barely gonna be paying attention to MOC. We got earnings later today as well. Hell yeah, Renee. What is it? Is there a Dave and Buster's around here? Or like what is it in like Palm Beach County? That's like a Dave and Buster's. That's fun. So done. Just listening. Very nice. Very nice flames. Bluetooth accounts on BS. There you go. Play, play, play. Don't play them BS. Use code BDM. That's right. Just like Aztec said. Code BDM. The further I stretch out my chair,
There's like
the
that
further
one
away-
Peloton chick who's fine as fuck flames. You know who I'm talking about?
Which Peloton chick?
It's like a
That one?
Peloton. It's like they like so if you have a Peloton, you have a subscription, you do these like workouts, and there's like one chick on there who's fucking bad.
KPZ says he knows her. Oh, he knows what he's talking about. I thought he was like, hook the brother up, KPZ. And get him them digits. It's still going. We're hitting this next bit of levels right now. Next bit of levels. Below that, I mean, shoot, we can just keep going here. Breaking through all the bullish areas like it's nada. Midgard coming soon. Considering it. Ooh. Ew. All right. I mean, we still got 10 minutes left for FOMC, so I mean MOC. So 433 would be that next level. If we're gonna wait for a level tap, 433. Right now we're breaking through this 26 level.
Logan, I know some FOMO is eating you up. What you talking about, Kathy? FOMO for what? I know some some FOMOs. Yeah, what FOMO of what? What size do I trade every day? I trade 150Ks now, and I trade anywhere between 14 micros to 3 minis.
All right, looks like it's pushing up to retest that 46 level.
Midgard coming soon. What, as a partner? That'd be cool. P2P is showing you're not taking it. Just joined a few moments ago.
Huh?
You mean PHP, Kathy?
Is Kathy back on the haterade?
No, Kathy and I are mutually understanding now.
Oh, okay. P2P is showing you're not taking it. Just you.
I think she might be talking about PHP because there's a PHP setup. Yeah.
Or
So,
did she become a P2P student? And
so Kathy, this is what happened.
Oh, I'm so confused.
I was pushed to Path to Live with Midgard prop firm. I was pushed for their Path to Live program. So you have to trade a certain amount of days, make a certain amount of money, then you get like $20,000, a shit ton of money. You get to trade with live capital. I am retarded, and what I did is I opened up my accounts and I saw a long presenting, right? And I was like, this is a good long, and I clicked buy. Instantly, my accounts disappeared. Why? Because I traded during major news like a fucking idiot. So I ended up popping those accounts. I talked to support. They were like, you're good. You just have to do evals again. Pass an eval. We're going to put you back on the path to live. I was like, sounds good. They pushed me to path to live because I withdrew $80,000 from them. So I'm on evals again. I saw this bounce here off of a 5-minute level, and I said, I'm just going to take this trade. And I made $3,600 per account, which is the consistency rule on the evals. So I'm done trading. I'm already good. So I don't FOMO. I'm not FOMOing. I've already traded. I'm good. I'm done. Finished. When will I find out if I got it at this event? Trading Queen. Let me see if I can expedite you. What do you look like? It's up to Max.
There you go, guys. If you guys start submitting the pictures, ladies.
That'd be fucked up.
It's gonna be you're gonna get expedited. Start taking the selfies.
Oh, you have first class tickets too? That's weird. How did that happen?
Yeah. Max is calling dibs for all busty Asians. First dibs for all busty Asians. Okay? If you're a busty Asian, you have first dibs. Making that official announcement. It must be a female. I want to make that clear. It must be a female. Somebody just asked that question. Yeah. Spoon, you cannot put fake boobs on and be a busty Asian.
Trading Queen says she's not a busty Asian. Well, you're gonna have to go through the normal process. I don't make the rules.
Unfortunately,
I don't make the rules. You're just gonna have to go through the normal process and hope you are selected.
Yep.
When do people start getting emails saying they're good to go? Well, actually, it's fucking early. It's only July.
It's only we still have.
We got 2.5 months still. So.
Max, man, Max is going. Oh man! All right, we're approaching that next box. Holy crap!
What's the allowed time window for trading during news? You cannot trade 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after. So if I got an email saying you took a trade at 2:31, the news is at 2:30. I fucked up.
I want to see it hang out here at 4:33 if it can get down there. 4:33 is where I want to see it hang out for MOC. And anybody gonna play MOC, play it super duper light. Like, do not give back anything. If you guys caught that FOMC, those FOMC plays, please.
Teb, are you in here, Teb?
Code BDM. Code BDM.
Teb in here. I need to ask him about some scientific research I want to do.
About neckbeards?
Yeah.
Oh.
Was it Teb? Somebody posted a picture. Somebody they said was their friend. And Teb lives in Florida and goes to a gym nearby. And I was curious if people go to that gym. Was it Teb? Maybe it wasn't Teb.
Wasn't Teb.
It was
Was
Teb.
it?
It was Teb. Hey. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Scratch that. Disregard.
Disregard. Come on. Get down to 433. I want to see it hang out at 433. It is so close to that. Okay, come on. Just stay down here, though. I don't want it to, like, rip under it. And I just want it to hang out right here. Just want it to hang out right here, and then I want 433 to hold. You just, like, push up to 546, 130 points. Nah, that's a big-ass move. SPX has some golden MVGs below. It's going to be very interesting. You know, there's the wick at 435. But I want it to just hang out right here. It's already pushing off of it, bitch. Nope, she's just melting right through it. Okay, that's a wick. Well, right now she's holding above it for the time being. That is a 5-minute level that 433 needs to break. So this is the area. I would like to see it hold. Sorry, it's just making these what's ACR at right now? 41 still. Yeah, MLC might be a bit explosive for sure with a 41 ATR. Hits 420, could do 400. No. Let's see. About 1 minute left. It already bounced off that area. I didn't catch it at all. I wanted it to hang out down there. I did not want it to explode like that already. 546 would be that room it has to push up. But you still want to be careful. 1 minute in. You still want to be careful because this could easily retest, wick right back up. We could get a violent wick rejection, but it's already well above 433. Well above it. Yeah, wow. Look at that violent bounce.
Good job, Steph. Good work.
I wanted it to hang out down here. It just left me, guys. It just left me. It hit 433, and it just left my ass. Whee! All right, SPX hitting a level at 73.44. Yeah, see, there's nothing here. There's absolutely nothing here. It's going down to retest. There it goes.
What am I
What's it going to do here now? What are you going to do
700
here at 433 again?
The disrespect, dude.
It just wicked off the bottom, but you still have to be careful because this could get violent. We got earnings still in a few minutes, but there was just nothing for this year. And there was just no good read. Here's 433 again. A little bounce off of it, not super strong. And not super strong is still like a 20-point bounce. It's not super strong. I mean, ATR is still up there. Yeah, there's the 433 retest.
Max, when are we going shooting? Javi wants to join. He's going to get a gun. We're going to get him strapped up.
Yeah.
We're going to get him.
I need to get
him a really nice gun.
Yeah, I need to finally get myself one. I need to strap up, like you said.
Go with Stock Market Wolf. And he's a legend. He's in California, though. But I do want to go
way out there.
shoot. That's weird, Khalil. That's an interesting comment.
Very nice. Very nice. Everyone that's already green, very nice. Right now, this is just.
How'd we do today, boys? What's up, Javi? What's up, Logan?
What's
up, BT Trades? Funded seat guy.
What's that?
Actually, funded seat guy. My funded seat accounts.
This see guy.
I wasn't taking them serious. I was fucking them around for a little bit, but the last 2 days, some
Funded
fresh
seat guy.
accounts. Let's see. Let's see how I'm doing. I'm trading some of those accounts. I'm up
We gotta come down to the next
6,500 on the evals. So probably pass them in a day or two. I'll be funded. No, I wish I had the ultras. I already committed to these, the flexes, I guess. I'm a big daily payout guy. Big daily ultras are daily payout, right? Are they daily payout?
I haven't tried funded seat yet. I gotta try you guys. I've been, you know what I've been having fun with? I've stopped the dailies. I only have one daily count per prop that does allow it. I've been back to the 5-day ones.
By the way, for a max
Been
of
killing
5
those.
ultras plus 1 flex plus orders 1 stuff.
You can pick up ultras.
Yeah, but
alongside.
I'm very big on 150Ks only. So I'll probably just ride out with these.
Ah.
It's fine. In like a month, you guys are going to push me live, and then I'm going to have daily anyway.
Very nice, Chris, Texas.
Make a 150K for me. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. That would be sick. Hell yeah.
Oh, they're gonna make a 150K.
I will add you your accounts to my main stack.
Hell yeah.
With the team, you're not the first person to ask for a 150K. I used to only do 50Ks. And then I got pushed live with 6 other props. And then I was limited with how much I could trade with when I was live. So I moved to 150Ks. You know, more leverage. So with you guys, I just started with 150Ks. But if I have more accounts, leverage, whatever, I'll push you guys into the main stack. And we're really going to start cooking.
Yes. All right, let's see if this 5-minute breaks this 33 level. But even if it does, I still want to be cautious. There's not much happening right now. It's honestly, I think it's just waiting for earnings. It's gonna wait for 410. So it's not much happening anymore. What is your take on 25Ks? I think Logan said it right. 25Ks aren't very in terms of like, you know, what you can get out of it, and your size is very controlled. It's like I don't even trade 25Ks.
Colton is one of my OG students. He's a good dude. Colton's a cool dude. I trade 50Ks currently. I was about to ask what made you switch to 50Ks. Yeah, I got pushed live with most props, and then the leverage is limited. So I switched to 150Ks with all of them now. So I just get more leverage once I'm funded or live. I think I've popped a couple funded seed accounts. So now that I got a rep right here, I got to take it serious. Stop fucking around. He's just gonna call me up. Hey, dude, fucking saw you pop those 3 accounts. Basically, the 150Ks, your mindset is these get passed whenever they get passed. Yeah. Yeah. The whole concept of 50Ks, I tell this to everybody. If people are new traders, average traders, whatever, 50Ks make the most sense overall. I have made most of my money on 50Ks because the time to pass, the payouts, the psychological impact that it has on you when seeing those numbers does the best. And as long as you have enough accounts and you're using something like wealth charts, you can leverage 25 accounts. You know, I did a class and a webinar where I was making the 100K months. We're off of 25, 50Ks. Now, obviously, I've basically conquered the 50Ks. So now my next thing is doing that all with 150Ks. Top 3 recommended firms. I don't know. I've been venturing out a lot with a lot of firms now. Funded Seat being one of them. There's a lot of prop firms that I've just been looking at, checking out, using. Midgard, I pulled out 80K this week. No, 60K this week I pulled out from Midgard. Lucid, I've pulled out. Lucid, I averaged 15K a month from. TPT was my big OG. TPT, I pulled out 200K from. Apex, 100K. Apex, I have my live accounts with now. My Funded Futures, they pushed me live with 3 150Ks. So I had a $13,000 live account with them. I don't know. I like all the fucking big major props. I like all the major props.
There's a lot of them. Yeah.
Yeah. All of our partners are legit. Everybody that we're partnered with, I have no issues with. And when one of our partners fucks us over, what do? They're no longer partners, right? Alpha, rug pulled us. Alpha, no longer a partner. We no longer promote them, right? Logan, is Pedro still muted? It's very nice today without him. Yes.
We made it to the next sauce box.
This is another PHP setup here. Another PHP short.
Thing is looking like it's not finding any relief at all.
You have other accounts if you have live accounts active, not with that prop firm now. So here's a little tip for you guys. Depending on the prop firm, right, you want to make sure, because more often than not, if you get pushed live on one account, it'll ideally most of the time it's just that one account. So what you want to try and do is consistently get all of your accounts to hit payouts at the same time. Because if you don't, then you could get pushed live on 1 or 2 accounts and the others don't. So you want to try and get them all to hit your payout cap at the same time. Logan never has to go back to Afghanistan.
Yeah, he's never.
Not going to any combat zones anymore. What happened to Alpha? They stopped their deal with Ninja Trader. Whatever actually happened, I don't know. And then I was owed over $10,000 from them. I've shown you guys before, it just says pending. They still owe me 10K, and they sent all my accounts are gone, and they rug pulled everybody. FOMC meeting must have been bad. I didn't even realize that. We dumped.
Yeah, it was a hard dump all the way up. Yeah, it was like, oh, yeah.
Why is
like
that?
this was setting up all the way up here at 2880.
Daniel, it makes no sense why I don't understand why people have an issue with live. It doesn't make sense.
It makes zero sense for those. And you know what's funny is those that complain about live never gone live at all. They complain like they know and they've never gone live. It's like,
you just catch that?
You cannot make infinite money with simulated trading. Like, get that through your head, guys. There's no business that's gonna allow people to make endless amounts of money via simulated trading. You eventually have to go live.
Well, this is what I tried to understand. Like, people get so frustrated with these prop firms. They're like, oh, they're fucking pushing me live already. It's bullshit. Think about this from a business perspective. They are just losing money to you. Like, what business in their right mind is just going to be like, yeah, dude, I'm just going to let you keep fucking taking all our money with zero benefit towards us? No. They're going to sign an agreement. Let's get a partnership going. You're going to go live, and we'll split the funds.
Mm-hmm.
We don't allow endless, but code BDM gets you 100K per Ultra account before live.
Yeah, that's crazy.
What about crazy. Flexes?
Hey, here's this 4 o'clock volatility kicking in.
$100K per account? So I can rinse you guys for 300K? Flexes still get moved live with 4 payouts from a single account on our 10-minute. All right, we're about to fucking. I need to look. We might have to change these accounts.
You piqued his interest for sure.
Yeah. Hold the phone.
Oh shit, we're going straight down. We just broke another sauce box. On to the next. Right at the halfway point.
I could do 100Ks at least. How many 100Ks can I have? 5? You guys have a rule on evals? How many evals I can have? Five evals as well. All right. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna fucking send these to the fucking dashboard. Can I trade these right now? Yeah. All right. We're loading up these current accounts and I'm just gonna fucking send them. And then we're gonna load up fucking 5 ultras. All right, here's the plan, team. We just broke through this structured area.
Volatility's kicking in for the earnings. They're waiting.
Ooh, we got 50 ATR. All right, we gotta have
Yep.
We gotta have decent stop loss and set up here.
Yeah, the volume.
I don't really care if these counts pop. I'm letting everybody know this. Not financial advice here. Strictly entertainment purposes. I actually intend to pop these accounts, right? Because I want to load up the ultra accounts. Just letting you guys know. I'm sending them. But if I send it and it hits TP, cool. These accounts have what's the drawdown on these? I have a pretty big drawdown on these already. I have a $7,000 drawdown. Okay. Well, 50 ATR, that's pretty fast. I have almost an $8,000 drawdown on these accounts. But I think we're gonna go. I think it's just gonna keep dropping. But we have earnings coming in.
Yep.
Fuck it, send it. All right, here's what we're gonna do. Send it. We're gonna go for
180, 160.
Short. We're gonna go for 100 points. There we go. We're at 10 points. 15 points. See if I can, actually, I'm going to add more contracts. Let's add more contracts. Going for about 100-point stop loss. Let's go for a 200-point TP. 2 to 1.
Ooh, that's steep.
Send it. Why not?
That'd be crazy. That'd be crazy. Yeah. I mean, it's still sitting pretty bare. We're trapped in between these two. Oh, shit. Earnings came in hot.
Wait.
Hot.
If this pops me, that's great. Then I load up the 5.
It's a win-win for you.
It's a win-win.
Which is awesome.
It's a win-win.
Yeah, it's a win-win.
Send them, pop them, load up the ultras, or these just do really well. But I'm already over consistency, I think, on these. I'm already over consistency on these. Wait, if it gets over 16, we're good. Popped. All right. Now we load up. It's fast. Their dashboard updates fast. All right, here's what we do. Daily ultras, consistency, 235, hundreds, drawdown, 3K. Code BDM. Load up 5 of these.
Ooh, break this 309.
Wait, these on interesting. Oh, these are on Rhythmic and DX feed. I think I just sent these accounts and I can't
no.
No.
Damn it. I just played that signal and accidentally got out of all my contracts, whatever. I made $300 right there. Fuck that.
I just realized it's their ultra's not on wealth charts. All right, I just popped those accounts for no reason. I'm over 8 today, dude. Oh my god. That's 8 accounts I just popped for being just absolutely retarded.
You know what's that? What's that? There's a game. For some reason, just saying ultra just brings me back. There's this game. They go ultra, ultra. Who knows what I'm talking about? It's a fighting game. Oh my god, what's it called? Yeah, Killer Instinct. That is, yeah. It's like ultra, ultra. Me and my brothers used to mash the fuck out of those buttons on that game.
All right, we're loading up those 3 again. Let's reset them.
Checking sauce box again. Ta-da. Ta-da.
Fucking idiot, dude. I'm an idiot. All right. I should have looked to see if it was on Wealth Charts or TradeAway before I did that. That's on me. That's on me.
I mean, we could always blame the guy. Like he smooth talked you. Smooth talked you too. I was like, oh yeah, by the way, it's not on Wealth Charts right after you pop it. That's all good.
Which consistency accounts did you load? Also, I know you guys need wealth. We are looking into bringing them forward. You guys got them on the dailies.
All the others, yeah. All the others are on there.
You got them on your other ones. I have these at 35% consistency. That's right. I'm a fucking legend, and I'm going to load these back up and hit consistency on them.
All right. When are earnings coming up? I'm looking at the 47 area to hold if it bounces back down. If it doesn't, then we're going to continue the down move. I mean, I already bounced off of it over here, actually. It hit 466. That's not even that close. Never mind. We're still in a strong downtrend. It's absolutely just range here until earnings. Earnings have not come in yet, have they? Has any earnings come in from Meta or ARM or Microsoft or good old Chipotle? All right, the Chipotle earnings gonna send us to the moon. Meta and Microsoft did? Must have been a whole lot of nothing then.
All right, we're loaded back up. Here we go. 35% of 9,000 is what, 3,200? 9,000 minus 65%, 3,150. All right. Let's set our parameters to not go over.
Okay, here's 47.
3,000.
Nope. Pull up. I mean, that was a nice little 12 points right there, but it's looking weak. And ooh, yeah.
Strategy. All right, here we go. I'm going.
And, no,
I'm going to go back to the short. IETR.
Can hold if it can hold 47. If it cannot hold this 47, it'll look good. But
I want to see how it respects the 2-minute level. We got a double stack level at 200. Maybe you connect it to Wealth Charts using Rhythmic.
All right, my runner got taken out right there. Looks like we're gonna keep going down. If it breaks this, 8 seconds. Closes below or no? Oh, it's pulling itself back up. Oh, it closed above. No, I'm gonna wait. I mean, it could absolutely just melt through it because that's what's been happening today.
Logan, are you trading under an LLC? I am. Well, kind of. Sort of. I don't know. I'm not an accountant. That's my CPA.
Yeah, looks like earnings were because there was literally nothing happened. Literally nothing happened. I mean, it did hold that 47 level, did not close below it, wicked down one more time, and just pushed up, but I did not take that. It's just ranging here. Not trusting what it's waiting on something, but what? If Meta already came out, Meta's a big boy. What else could it be waiting on? It's just
Waiting for the
ranging.
perfect snipe.
I'm like $450 away from passing my third Apex account. And I don't think I want to risk it on anything here.
I can't believe I sent those accounts. I'm so dumb.
For me, this 47 level needs to break. 1 minute candle closure below it. It's just hanging out on top of it. We got a
Pedro.
2 minute level on 50 as well.
Hello, Pedro. Would you prefer Apex over any other accounts?
She's pushing. Oh, wow. Well, okay. That one micro.
You get too many
played
accounts
out.
is good leverage.
Well, I played it with one micro just because, again, I'm so close to passing this account. Oh, wow.
Did Maestro make more than what you blew? No, because my mid guards. Well, my mid guards were 0.
No, he was trying to blow them on purpose.
I traded news like an idiot. Then I loaded up fresh accounts and I made 18K, which I showed you guys. The accounts I just popped, there was a misunderstanding. And so now I'm loading up new evals. So a win for today? Yeah, I would say it's a win.
Yeah. No, he made it pretty clear that he was either going to make it or blow them.
Yeah.
That first trade he would have taken.
The one trade where I said I'm going long, I said everybody go long, not financial advice. That one hit.
Yeah. Yeah, he called that
trade,
push
though.
up. Yeah. Yeah, no. The other one where he was actively trying to disregard that because he made it clear. I was like, yeah, they were popping wrong. It is what it is. It is. And plus, I think that bounce from that early bounce right before FOMC, from like we caught like 120 points in 5 minutes. Where was it? Right here. That 730 area, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and then that rocket ship up for 300 points, 350 points, and
Let's not pop these ones.
the
Deal.
reversal down. I mean, it was clean.
We're gonna turn these into
Very green, very green. Yeah, it's giveaway time. Yes, for the dailies for no links.
All right. Well, while we're doing this, YouTube word of the day: FOMC.
OMC
I'm committed to hitting my.
was glorious. FOMC was glorious.
Would you guys kick FFF if they effed me over? No, because you're a random viewer that I don't know, and I'm not going to take the opinion of one person.
Yep. Make sure you guys are using code BDM. It's like our funny seats. Gas it.
All levels in the way now for the longs. Level after level after level after level.
I mean, that 47 level held. There's that rocket shit up. Almost 100 points from that level. We need to close above sauce box if we're gonna keep going. FOMC, appreciate it. Full sand. All right, I'm gonna pick someone random on the cord to just scroll. Let's see, you got MLT tag. No, you don't. GGG, get that MLT
Winner
tag.
on the YouTube, Unchained
Qualify.
Flames. Unchained Flames on the YouTube. Congratulations.
Another one. Another one with no MLT tag. All right, random. Let's see. You got MLT tag? Yes, you do. 4 points. 4 points. 4 points. 2905. Invite to speak. Come on up. Come on up. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 1, 1, 1. Done. Next one. On to the next one. All right. Next one. Boom, 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 boom. You got MOT tag. Yes, do. You got the Midas touch. You've got the Midas touch. Are you? How come I can't find you? Damn it. I should have clicked on the other. Hold on. Let me click on the other thing. There it is. Dead eye. Dead. There you are. Midas touch. All right. Come on up. Thank you, Pauline. Appreciate you. Oh, 4 points came up. Okay, we got our 2. If Midas touch comes up too, we got 2. The score win is. Camera's on. 4 points. Say quick
Can you hear me?
hello. Yep, can hear you. You got a camera?
Let me figure this camera out.
All right.
It's been a while since I've done this.
That's what you say when we get this old. We start saying that, right?
Okay.
I just guessed he was old.
Funny.
It's been a while since we done this. How you doing, man?
How's it going?
Good, man. How was your trading today for FOMC day?
Good. Real good.
Awesome. Great. Hell yeah, bro.
Nice
Happy to
and
hear that,
smooth.
man. Heck
Got a
yeah.
nice combination of Logan and you, so kind of in between. It's been great.
Hell yeah, man. If you were able to use them both and make it your own thing, that's freaking amazing. I love that, man.
Yeah.
All right,
Yeah.
we'll open up a support ticket. What are we giving this man, Logan?
Whatever account we have. See what,
Yeah, give him
what
the
account.
account.
We'll hook you up with an account.
All right. I appreciate it, guys.
Absolutely, man. Open up a
You
support
got it,
ticket.
brother.
Thank you. Take care.
You got it.
All right. And
All right.
Javi, what word for the YouTube?
Word for the YouTube. Let's do earnings. Earnings.
YouTube earnings.
Earnings. Nothing happened with the earnings. I was expecting a little more violence for earnings. They did nothing.
Too much happened with the FOMC. Just everything dumped.
Yeah. Yeah. The exhaustion kicked in. All right. We're going to pick one more Discord winner.
Sure.
Okay. MOT tag, yes. And where'd he go? He disappeared. Well, let me see if you're still in here.
I'm gonna probably test shorts on here.
To speak.
So we'll see what happens though. It's the ATR is dying down. It's very wiki now, so who knows? I'll probably test shorts.
Yeah. It's very wiki. Still in the downtrend, but yeah, super wiki. Ginsu. Give me guys 5 seconds so we can move on. All right. I'm going to start speed running them. And whoever comes up gets the last prize.
Tomorrow or Asia for those ultras. Yeah, no, I gotta wait until they're on wealth charts. And then I'll trade them. For now, I got these dailies. Winner on the YouTube, PCCCCCCCCCCC-E3N. Congratulations, you got access to any indicator free for an entire week.
Heck yeah. All right. MOT tag. Yep. Let me see. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, next AM. Somebody come up. Whoever comes up wins the last week or whatever we're giving away. I think a week. Indicator. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dang, nobody wants to come up with a cord anymore. All right, on to the next.
If this hits 42, I'm good.
All right, Richard P, you're next.
30-point drop right here.
Somebody come up.
Oh, yo.
Oh, there we go, Richard P. Thank you. How you doing, man?
Good. How are you?
Good, brother. How was your day today?
Day's good. All my accounts green.
Hell yeah.
We're chilling.
That's amazing, bro. FOMC used to be like one of my worst days ever, and I think we've owned every FOMC that we've been trading live, so it's fucking awesome. I'm so happy to hear
come through?
Oh, you guys are doing it as well. What's that?
Did my video come through?
No, it's okay though. We're good, man. You're good, brother. So go ahead, open up the support ticket, man. Claim your prize, bro.
All right.
I'm so freaking tired.
Avi, have you got into the mid guards yet?
Yeah, I just actually passed a couple yesterday, so got into them, and I'm working on 3 more, and I'm just so loaded up on accounts. Like I haven't traded my TPTs in a couple days. I'm close to getting payouts from 3 Tradeifys, outside of the daily. So I'm like just chilling right now. I'm in a high for June. I've had a great June, July.
Yeah, same. Probably nowhere near what you are, but yeah, we're doing good. Appreciate it, you guys. Appreciate everybody in the chat. Awesome community.
Awesome, brother. Appreciate you, man.
Open up a sport ticket and we'll get you set up.
Sounds good. Thanks, guys.
All right. Sweet. Awesome, bro. Doing good.
All right. I'm still in this short. I've added contracts. I need to get down to 48. Gets down to 48. I've secured my consistency on these funded seed accounts.
It's got room. Yeah.
Wait.
10 points away.
They're right there. 7 points away.
Little 3Z down.
Come on.
Huh?
Come on.
Okay. All right, y'all. I gotta take my daughter to the doctor. She's had a fever all day. I think it's
all right.
Not getting any better.
Cool.
Just heard my wife yelling at me too.
Do your outro.
All right, guys. So, guys, check out my YouTube, Instagram, all that fun stuff. Check out Logan's YouTube, Instagram, all that fun stuff as well. Like, subscribe, do all that. Make sure you guys tip the staff. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Maestro Lee. You're good, bro. Maestro for a pre-market session. And that's it, guys. So peace out. Okay. I'll see you guys.
See ya.
Not financial advice, just
Students Mind. We're probably going to do Asia later today. I've got to just go to the gym after this. We'll probably do Asia tonight, maybe. Do some trading with us there, and then seeing how the market's going to react based off of earnings. So we'll do some live trading together for Asia tonight. Obviously, then we got pre-market tomorrow. With that being said, easy trading, right? Everything. Obviously, I made a dumbass mistake, traded news when I shouldn't have, but it's all right. I ended up making my evals back. Consistency, and right now, if this hits 52, which it's about to do, then I will also hit consistency on my funded seed accounts. Bam, there we go. And so now here, pull this up. I just hit my consistency on here. Let's do here. Bang. Right, there's my 3K. Funded seats have been back secured. I am down 1 day, but it's all right. Funded seats are back at 3K each. Cool, easy money. Easy day. Use code BDM for everything. Every prop you could ever think of. Use code BDM. for everything. If you guys are interested in any of the courses on how we trade, anything like that, the indicators, how we do it, watch Hobby's YouTube if you want to learn how to use PHP. My YouTube teaches you how to use my indicators is taught on YouTube also, right? GT, you're good, man. I'm back 3,000 in profit, so we're good. I'm just a day behind, not an issue. No sweat. It was my fault. I should have done my own due diligence. You're good. PHP level is here. Yep. Prop down under this. It's a good short. All right. I'm getting the fuck out of here, guys. Fun day. Easy trading. I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Later. Anarchy. Kick it.
Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. They said life after death, they was never that close. Hit the wheel, I'll be in the back row. Then it flipped on his head, it's a fact though. 2 wheels to the chest, had a body on the gurney. From the crowd, make the whole place scurry. And I know they were worried, but it wasn't my time. Came back in a hurry. Life gave me a burden, burden in my trip, turned into a gift, starting all over. I was starting to trip, took a little chip, turned into a brick. Then I did again, took a little chip, turned into a brick. Then I did again, took a little chip, one and shit, turned into a chip. We in and out quick. At my head drop, heat of my head drop. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. At my head drop, heat of my head drop. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Big win in the morning, let's celebrate. Probably need a steak on the plate. A little wine, white wine, the Sauvignon Blanc. New father, I'm doing my job. Can't do what I used to do. This life ain't just for me, it's for you. I'm focused, keeping my emotions from overflowing. To me, it's like an ocean that never ends. So when you learn how to swim, you never get wet. And you never forget that you a vet. I keep you in my mind every second. I hope you never had to feel how I felt. But you gotta know the truth. My life without you was no life at all. Quantum shift, quantum doing shift, and I did it again. Quantum shift, quantum doing shift. We in and out quick. At my